Assalamu alaikum viewers. In this video, we are going to proceed to the monthly summary metrics. And we showed you in our previous video that how we can uh, develop a matrix, right? And it is very simple, and here we are going to tell you in detail that how to develop a multi-dimensional matrix. Means two-dimensional means on one side you are going to put the products which are coming from the product table, right? And the product table has all the products. So what we do is just put a link like this, and we select the first product, we put it enter, and we make it relative, not absolute, so that all the products come here, right? Next is since we have generated this data already, and the product and details, purchase order details have been filled in already, and the date of received are also there, and the month of received is used by means of the text function we discussed in previous section, right? It is very easy. You just write equal to and then the text and bracket and then give the date for which you want, and then put a comma, and within the inverted commas you are going to write the format in which we want M for the month characters, and 3 characters of the month and 4 characters of the year, right? And bracket, and we close the quotes and we close the parentheses, and this way we get this. Okay, so let's proceed further now. Sorry, Andy, let me see. So okay, so this is our data is ready to plot the matrix, and in developing the matrix, you first need the column for which you want to determine the summary, right? So first is the products, and here we are going to put the dates, right? You can give let's say 1st January, right? 1st January, what, 2003, 2023, okay? And then you can put 1st February, right? 2023. Now you select both and extend it to the maximum you just want. So it is going to take every first month, every first day of every month, 1st April, 1st May, June, July, like this, right? And then you put the same thing for which we are going to, on the basis of the string which you have put here, right? So this will be your basis of getting the data from this table, right? So we use the formula text of this, yeah, and make it like this so that it changes. So this is just a preparatory work. You are supposed to do it. So now the last thing you do is the SUMIFS formula. For this, you need understanding of SUMIFS S, sum if S. We previously used sum if only, yeah, without S. But this time we are, since we are going to have multiple conditions inside some formula. So that's why we are going to use some ifs so that we can give multiple conditions in it. Okay. The first we tell in the sum if one thing that is called the sum range. It is itself telling you it is a sum range. What is the sum range? And go to purchase order details and sum the entire column, I column, right? If we go there and we see it, and this column is the target to get the sum, okay? But taking the entire sum will you have to narrow it down that the condition is that you have in the C column of the purchase order, you have this product. So this is means in you are telling that um, curtail the total for the product which is mentioned in PO details in column C and compare them in with this. And wherever this product comes, Northwind, Trader, Chai, whenever it comes, you take the table, otherwise ignore them, right? So this is right. So, and the another thing is that we are only interested in this at this position, the January total. So what we have said that the January 2003. So that is L. Is the months are coming in the L, yeah, the L column, right? And we are telling you go into the purchase order detail and find in the L column where you find the January 2003. So it has brought 675. Okay, let's verify it. If we see the Chai, Northwind Trader Chai, right? And in the January, right? So we search here, Northwind and Chai, Control F, CHAI. Okay, so this is the first Chai, and this is in the January. That's fine, and it has taken this total 175 as a part of that total, right? There are a few more in the January, and you can filter them, but it is telling you the total which is coming in for this product for this month, and it is giving you the total, right? Now, here, an intelligent use of dollars being done, that is absolutely, because when we copy this rightwards, right, the I should not become J because the total line will remain in any case, wherever, whatever the month you are saying, I will remain the I. So that's why it's a dollar sign. And the C dollar and C dollar, the C dollar, that is the product name, will remain the product name. Means we don't want them, when we copy this formula rightwards, C should not become D. So that's why we put the dollar sign in here, right? If you see C, yeah. So C should not become D because we want always this column to be looked up, right? For what? For the product, right? Right. Okay. Here in the criteria range, we have omitted the dollar sign here, right? But we have retained this dollar sign with the column, because when we copy rightwards, we don't want this C become D. We want it to remain C, but we do want to change 4 to 5 as soon as we copy this downwards. So 4 has become 5 because of the omission of dollar sign. If we don't omit this dollar sign here, right, we put it dollar sign here as well, so it will always keep bringing the 675, and that is the total of this product, not that product. So that would be wrong. So you have to make it relative. This has to be made relative, right? Keeping the column absolute and row part relative, right? The next is the month tag. In the PO detail, you have L column. We don't want L to be shifted during the copy left or right, bottom. So you have to fix it. So you have to make it absolute. This is absolute. That's fine. And here again, we want D to change E. That's why the dollar sign is changed. This is the D, and when we copy it rightwards, this D should become E, right? So that the from January it shifts to February, and so on, right? But we do not want 3 to become 4. That's why we put a dollar sign here, right? So that each the 3 does not become 4. Yeah, 3 does not become 4. 3 remains 3 here, right? So this is our revision of the absolute and relative, right? Now all we need to do is just copy it like this. So this is how these are the total, and you double click here and your matrix is ready, right? You can compare just to verify that this total, right, this total should be, please remember this table total, that is $216 million, $216,832. Okay, let's verify it. If we select this one, yeah, $216,832. So it is verified. Okay, I hope you liked it, and I'll see you in our next video of our further enhancement and doing this using VBA. Thank you very much.